Behold, a leviathan of the seas, a testament to raw power and engineering might.
But its true strength lies not in its size, but in the unseen forces churning deep within its heart.
Every journey begins with a single cut, forging the very backbone of a nation's resolve.
From raw steel, the intricate skeleton of a nuclear heart begins to take shape.
Precision is paramount, for these components will house the most powerful propulsion system on Earth. Thousands of pieces, each meticulously crafted, converging for a singular purpose.
Shaping the skin that will endure the ocean's fury, protecting the power within.
Every part has a story, a specific place in the grand design.
The dance of logistics, ensuring every piece arrives exactly when and where it's needed.
Quality control, the silent guardian of structural integrity, from the very first cut.
Complex systems demand flawless execution, even in the smallest details.
The architects of power, meticulously planning every connection, every flow.
The foundation of strength, where the ship's entire mass will eventually rest. Every surface prepared, every joint perfected, for a lifetime of service. From individual plates, the first monumental blocks begin to rise. The colossal puzzle begins, piece by intricate piece.
The fiery embrace of metal, binding structures with unbreakable strength.
Within these walls will reside the very heart of the carrier's power. Gravity's challenge, met with precision and sheer engineering prowess. Technology's hand, ensuring consistency and strength across miles of welds.
Mitigating the immense forces, ensuring stability even under extreme conditions.
A symphony of construction, where multiple sections rise in parallel.
The meticulous finishing touches, where strength meets perfection.
The circulatory system of power, where vital fluids will flow. Shielding the heart, ensuring safety and containment for generations. The unyielding strength of steel, molded to perfection.
A self-contained world of power, ready for integration. Millimeter precision, crucial for the smooth operation of colossal turbines.
Unshakable bonds, holding together a marvel of engineering.
A city of steel, rising from the ground up, destined for the open sea.
Protecting against the relentless embrace of the ocean, ensuring longevity.
The intricate web of power and data, linking every system. Every corner, every height, touched by human hand and unwavering dedication.
Beyond the visible, ensuring the invisible integrity of every connection.
The science of strength, guaranteeing flawless construction. The pathway of power, meticulously engineered for colossal shafts. Sculpting the stern, where the ship will meet the water and unleash its might. Every connection, a critical link in the chain of power.
The alchemy of assembly, transforming fragments into a monumental whole.
From the sheltered workshop to the grand stage of the dry dock.
The keel is laid, the first true measure of the ship's colossal form.
Under the watchful eye of giants, the foundation takes root. A testament to human ingenuity, lifting the very heart of the ship.
Millimeter by millimeter, the colossal puzzle pieces align.
Confirmed. The block is set. We are locked in position.
The moment of fusion, when disparate parts become one. Layer upon layer, the impenetrable fortress of steel rises.
The pathways for power, stretching hundreds of feet to the propellers.
Critical junctions, where immense rotational forces will be managed.
The sculpted stern, designed to channel the ocean's energy.
A monument of steel, gradually asserting its dominance over the dry dock.
The precise gateway for the ship's driving force.
The heart of the beast, where nuclear energy transforms into kinetic power. Precision placement for the colossal power generators. The lifelines of steam, feeding the turbines with immense energy.
The shining arteries of power, connecting heart to propulsion.
A delicate dance of immense weight, finding its destined path.
The final connection point, where raw power meets the sea.
The steering giants, controlling the ship's every movement.
A symphony of engineering, preparing for the colossal thrust.
Sealing the power, creating an impenetrable fortress. A tunnel of power, awaiting its moment of rotation.
Every nook and cranny, scrutinized for perfection.
Testing the lifelines, ensuring the relentless flow of power.
Optimizing flow, ensuring maximum efficiency for such immense power.
The ship's form ascending, nearing its destined immersion. Protecting the skid, preparing for the ocean's embrace.
The artistry of protection, a vital barrier against the elements.
A metal mountain, awaiting its first taste of the sea.
The steering giants, ready to command the waves.
The moment of truth approaches, as the dry dock prepares to yield its masterpiece. The embrace of the ocean, a ritual as old as shipbuilding itself.
A slow, deliberate awakening as buoyancy takes hold.
The colossal propellers, awaiting their moment to churn the seas. Beneath the surface, a ballet of strength and precision unfolds. The final, monumental connection, marrying power to propulsion. Buoyancy achieved, the Leviathan is set free from its cradle. Its journey begins, a new guardian of the waves.
Every inch scrutinized, ensuring readiness for the trials ahead.
The silent promise of speed, hidden beneath the waves. The colossal steering blades, awaiting their command. The awakening of the nuclear heart, a symphony of controlled power.
Building the immense pressure that will drive the turbines.
A masterpiece complete, poised for its ultimate test. From dry dock to fitting out, a continuous evolution towards readiness. The final voyage begins into the vastness of the open sea. Unleashed power, a blur of speed across the horizon.
A dancer of the deep, defying its immense mass with agility.
The furious churn of propellers, translating power into propulsion. Hundreds of feet of solid steel, effortlessly transmitting colossal energy. The nerve center of power, where every parameter is meticulously controlled. Optimizing performance, pushing the boundaries of speed and efficiency. The colossal rudders, bending the will of the ocean to their command. Grace and power, intertwined in a dance of steel and water.
The nuclear fire, harnessed and transformed into unstoppable momentum.
Flawless rotation, the pinnacle of mechanical design.
Data-driven decisions, perfecting the performance of a modern marvel.
Forged in steel, powered by the atom, a guardian of the global stage. A testament to human ambition, conquering the vastness of the seas. And so, the journey continues, powered by an unstoppable force. The power within, forever propelling the giants of the deep.